Here's a quick shot of the Ameristar running. It's raining right now. It's pushing out a good heat load though. Copeland scroll compressor. Welling fan motor. And here's the Goodman. I never filmed it yet this year because it hasn't rained at all. I don't know why. 14 seater. 3.5 ton from 2018. And I looked on Google Street View. This did replace another Grand Air. Both of these replaced Grand Airs. And this was an add-on. But yeah, I guess that's about it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.